Hello everybody, welcome to the Kool Zone. Today I have made another amazing waffle dish. Please make sure you watch the whole video. Kool Zone out. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I truly appreciate you all. Today we are making a mushroom Swiss burger. And I threw some pepper jack cheese on there too, so it's going to be amazing. Big shout out to PS Seasoning for shipping me out one of their seasons to try. Let me tell you, the taste was amazing. I love how the flavors just brought everything together, so big shout out to them. I will leave their link in the description below, so if you want to try some for yourself, please do check it out. Alright, enough talking from me. Enjoy the video. I just have to say this, the building process has always been my favorite part. I love putting these creations together. It's just a beautiful feeling. And as you can see, I piled the mushrooms and onions on top of this baby right here. And it just came out amazing. As you can see, this beautiful masterpiece right here come to life. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. I truly appreciate y'all for coming by. I love y'all. Stay safe, everybody. Kool Zone out. And if you want to see more videos from the Kool Zone, please do like and subscribe.